BrowserAgent is the AI browser worker built for people who are tired of getting advice and ready to get results. Instead of just writing plans or giving suggestions, it opens real websites, clicks, types, researches, posts, collects data, and completes online tasks for you. With BrowserAgent, you simply type what you want done, choose a mission, and let the AI handle the work in the cloud. It can build lead lists, post content, fill forms, track competitors, apply to jobs, gather research, and more, without you sitting there clicking for hours. The big breakthrough is simple. BrowserAgent turns boring, repetitive online work into automated missions. Tasks that normally eat up your day, like scraping leads, posting across platforms, or collecting market data, can now be launched in minutes and delivered back ready to use. It comes loaded with 50+ done-for-you money missions, so you don't have to start from scratch. These missions are designed to help you save time, generate leads, serve clients, create reports, and uncover opportunities you can potentially sell or use in your own business. BrowserAgent is built for everyday users, not coders or tech experts. There is nothing to install, no servers to configure, and no complicated setup. If you can type a simple instruction, you can start running automated browser tasks. Because it runs in the cloud, BrowserAgent keeps working even after you close your laptop. You can start a mission, walk away, and get notified when the work is complete, giving you more freedom while the AI handles the repetitive grind. For marketers, freelancers, agencies, and side hustlers, this opens up a powerful opportunity. You can use BrowserAgent to create lead lists, client reports, social content, research files, and other deliverables, then sell the results while keeping 100% thanks to the included commercial rights. BrowserAgent also includes valuable business-building extras like Profit Fast Start training, niche mission packs, service offer templates, client getting swipes, a private community, and more. These bonuses are designed to help you not only use the tool, but also understand how to turn its output into real services people may pay for. The offer is especially exciting because it is positioned as a one-time investment with no monthly fee during launch, including 12 months of cloud hosting. Instead of paying hundreds per month for complex AI browser tools, users can lock in access at a much lower launch price while it is still available. BrowserAgent is made for one thing: getting more online work done faster, easier, and with less manual effort. If you want an AI that doesn't just talk about productivity, but actually performs tasks inside a real browser, BrowserAgent gives you a powerful shortcut to automation, leverage, and new business opportunities.